Every person has a different dream. Every dream needs money, but very few people truly understand it. This is the story of 6 people who see money in 6 completely different ways. This is Aarav. He doesn't know every answer, but he refuses to stop asking questions. Every mystery begins with curiosity, and curiosity is exactly what makes Aarav different. This is Meera. She speaks less, but notices more. While everyone searches for answers, she quietly discovers the clues. Meet Bunty. He believes life should be enjoyed today. Why save every rupee when tomorrow will bring another opportunity? Sometimes, confidence spends money faster than wisdom. This is Zara. She doesn't wait for opportunities. She runs after them. She believes every shortcut is worth exploring, but every shortcut has a hidden cost. This is Kabir, a businessman, a father, a man who believes every financial decision has a consequence. He doesn't simply earn money, he understands how money moves. And finally, Mr. Zen. He never tells people what to do. He simply asks the one question nobody else thought to ask. 6 different people, 6 different ways of thinking, one journey. One question: can understanding money change the way we live? Their journey begins now.